Hey, what's up? This is Nancy from MovinsEdition. This is a new Nike Airflight Classic product from MovinsEdition. It is a basketball shoe model with a classic and basic Nike Air, and especially this model was so popular that black was out of stock. The signature on the tongue and back of the shoes is a great model. The Nike Airflight Classic sports a modern basketball sneaker design, but it still maintains late 80s Nike flight elements. They have a leather upper, visible air sole, and midsole that mimics that of the Nike Airflight 89. If the Nike Airflight Classic had relative in the Nike lineup, it would definitely be the Airflight Condor. Air is the best thing about Nike. Nike's history is so famous that it's called Air's history. Classic and a little rough-looking model. It's a basketball shoe, but it's one of the shoes that's comfortable enough to wear as a daily item. Thick ankle pad for ventilation. This is the only new product that MovinsEdition has in store. Nike Airflight Classic. It's a classic, basic Nike Air basketball shoe model, and especially this one was so popular that black was out of stock. Thank you for watching video.